This is the Shiatsu foot massager from Miko, and for what it is, it looks pretty clean, doesn't it? But beyond that, it's very intuitive to use and packs fantastic function. All you have to do is plug it into an outlet, and you're basically good to go. Placing your feet in the two independent foot chambers and pressing power, you have 5 different massage pressure settings that you can toggle with the plus and minus buttons on the machine or with one of the 2 handy dandy wireless remotes included in the box. You can also toggle the heating and kneading functions the same exact ways, and trust me, these features definitely add to the massage experience. This device does an incredible job alleviating pain induced by plantar fasciitis, neuropathy, diabetes, chronic pain, and plain old muscle tension. And when you're done, simply press power and repeat the process whenever the time is right.